References, we go to connected support files. In the connected support files, this is something that was introduced previously, but there is something very, very interesting happening here, and I'd like you to see what's going on with that. And let's see if we can actually do it here in the options here. And we'll go to the support files. This is actually perfect. In this particular item, we went ahead and created a support file using the particular drawing because it's actually resides in the cloud. This actual drawing resides in the cloud. It's the only reason why we're able to do this. Okay, now we can also do the following: take everything that actually allows us to define this drawing and put it up in the cloud. And what does that allows us to do? It allows us to go ahead and have all of the things that make up this drawing the way we want it to look like already in the cloud. Nobody comes up with anything new. Nobody's got left behind because they didn't update their files. Everything is being updated because it's all centrally located. And that's really what this whole thing is all about here. It's actually for the project. Now, the other thing that I do want to say is that you have by individual settings, I'm a little bit iffy about that because people like to change things sometimes, and then what we're trying to actually accomplish here is actually set up a rule of standards that actually go across all projects no matter what. And so when you have a little bit of change here, a little bit of change there, you can actually lose all of that. Okay, now remember, all of your files are also already signed in here into this particular section in the AutoCAD Classics. Okay, with that, we have now